Let's start. The project name is Square Image View. Let's see the project structure. Here we have a main activity. And in the UI, we have activity_main.xml, which is the layout of main activity. Let's see the themes. Here we have created a custom style called Square Image View Style, and the corner size is set to 1%. And the exact same style is written in the night theme also. Let's see the UI now. Here we have a square shapeable image view. Let's see the code. The constrained layout is the root layout. And this is the shapeable image view. The height and width should be of equal value. Then we have set the padding and the content padding. The shape appearance overlay attribute is set to the custom style we have created. Then the src compat attribute is set to an image in the drawable folder. And at last, we have set the stroke color and stroke width of the image view. Let's run the app. As you can see, the shapeable image view is square in shape. So that's it. That's how you can implement a square shapeable image view in Java Android. Thanks for watching.